Hello everyone, my name is Pranav Sharma. Today I will be giving you a full overview of our project Excel Insight, a web-based tool designed to process and visualize company-related data from files like Excel sheet. This application is built to provide quick, insightful visualizations from the uploaded data. We will cover the objectives, key features, input outputs, and the technologies that power it. Let's dive into it. So, what is the objective of Excel Insight? Excel Insight is designed to enable users to upload files, uh, and these files are then processed, and the data within is summarized and displayed in the form of various visualizations such as graphs and other models. The idea is to give users quick, digestible insights from the complex data without needing any manual processing. So the key features include: first is file uploading. Users can upload files directly from their devices, supporting formats such as Excel sheets. Users can also scan documents using device camera. Once files are uploaded or scanned, the application will praise and analyze the data inside, converting it into structural format that easily understandable. This makes Excel Insight ideal for business analysis and quick decision makings. Now, Excel Insight takes long and generate visualizations like line chart, bar graph, and other things, analytical models. All charts are interactive, providing users with dynamic ways to explore and interpret their data. So, what are the inputs for Excel Insight? So, first is file uploading. The supported file types are Excel sheet. Then, user can only upload one file at a time, keeping the process streamlined. Then, the second option is camera scanning. Like the input is image, like users can take pictures of documents using their device camera. So the supported formats are JPG and PNG. Now, we are using OCR, that is optical character recognition. If the image contains text, OCR technology will be used to extract the text data. Now, what are the outputs of the Excel Insight? First is data praising. Yeah, the first is data praising. After uploading, raw data is extracted and displayed in the structured format, often as tables, to give users a clear view of the information at hand. The second is visualization. So, like it is, graphs are displayed that give the visualizations of the data. Excel Insight can generate like heat maps and other things. Now, the technology stacks of Excel Insight. Now let's talk about the technologies behind this tool. Each part of Excel Insight has been carefully crafted using modern web technologies, libraries, and frameworks to ensure the app runs smoothly and efficiently. So first are the front-end technologies. So in this we have, first is React.js. So React.js is a powerful library, JavaScript library for building dynamic single-page user interfaces. It was developed by Facebook and is now widely used in web development. Now, why React? Because it has component-based architecture. React allows developers to build reusable UI components. Each component manages its own state, making the overall application easy to maintain and update. Now, example in the Excel site, we use components for file uploads, data tables, and chart visualization. Each component functions independently, but together they create a smooth user experience. Now, second is Virtual DOM. React uses a virtual DOM which enhances the app's performance by only uploading the parts of the interface that change. This leads to faster and more responsive UI. Now, in Excel Insight, when a user uploads new data, only the visualization components refresh, leaving the rest of the interface untouched. Now, The third point is efficient data management and states and props. State control dynamic data inside components while props helps to pass information between them. Now, in our project, the file upload status is managed by state, and once a file is uploaded, the data is passed to the visualization component using props. Now, how it's used in Excel Insight. React is the backbone of the front-end interface, providing a seamless, interactive experience where users can upload, visualize, and interact with the real-time data. Now, this was the first tech step. Now, second, we have d3.js. Uh, so D3.js, which stands for Data-Driven Document, is a powerful JavaScript library for creating dynamic interactive data visualization using HTML, SVG, and CSS. Now, why we use D3.js? Because D3 binds data to DOM elements, allowing the creation of complex interactive visualization based on real time. In Excel Insight, after a file is uploaded and processed, D3.js is used to generate interactive charts, allowing users to explore data dynamically. Now, D3 provides a wide range of variety of visual models, including line graph, pie chart, scattered plots, etc. Now, if the user uploads financial data, D3 generates line charts for sale trends and pie charts showing revenue breakdown. Now, SVG rendering for high performance is the third advantage of D3.js. D3 utilizes SVG. Now, SVG is a scalable vector graphics, ensuring that visual remain crisp and clear across all screen size without losing quality. Now, how it's used in Excel Insight. D3.j generates all the charts and visualizations, allowing users to explore data through interactive real-time graphics like graphs. Now, our third tech stack is Tailwind CSS. Tailwind CSS is a utility-first CSS framework that helps developers rapidly style web interfaces by providing pre-configured classes for layout, spacing, and design. Now, why we use Tailwind CSS, not Bootstrap? So, first of all, the main advantage is this: instead of writing custom CSS, developers use predefined classes directly in HTML, making styling quicker and more efficient. We use Tailwind CSS to create consistent, responsive designs across the application's dashboard, buttons, and forms. Now, Tailwind makes it easy to create layouts that adapt to different screen sizes, ensuring a mobile-friendly user experience. Action Insights dashboard dynamically adjusts to fit both small screen and large screen, like mobile phones and larger desktop screens. Now, Tailwind is also highly customizable, allowing the project to match specific design preferences and branding needs. Now, how it's used in Action Insight? So, Tailwind CSS powers the styling and layout of the app, ensuring that it looks modern, clean, and responsive without needing complex custom CSS code. Now, these are some front-end tech stacks. Now, let's go through our libraries that we used. Now, the first library we used is XLSX library. So, the XLSX library is a popular tool used for reading and writing Excel files within a web application. It's crucial for praising spreadsheet data. Now, why XLSX library? So, the XLSX library makes it easy to read and write Excel files, converting them into JavaScript objects for easy manipulation. Now, the library supports both .xls and .xlsx formats, making it compatible with older and newer versions of Excel. This library handles all Excel file uploads, extract data, and prepare it for analysis and visualization within the app. Now, our second library is Tesseract.js. Tesseract.js is an optical character recognition library that allows you to extract text from images directly in the browser. Now, why Tesseract.js? Because of client server OCR processing. Tesseract.js performs OCR within the browser, meaning no server-side processing is needed, which improves speed and data privacy. And it has multilingual support. The library can process multi-languages, ensuring that documents from different regions can be scanned and analyzed effectively. And now how it is used in our project. Tesseract.js powers the OCR functionality, allowing users to scan documents using their device cameras and convert them into usable text for analyzation and visualization. Now, bringing it all together, we used React.js that handles user interface, making sure it's smooth and responsive. Then D3.js it creates dynamic interactive charts that help users make sense of their data. Then Tailwind CSS that ensures the app looks great and works well across all devices. Then XLSX library that handles Excel file uploads and data extraction. And Tesseract.js that adds OCR functionality, allowing users to process text from scanned documents. Now, what are the potential use cases for this project? So first is business analysis. Now, Excel Insight allows companies to upload financial data and generate quick insights, helping decision makers understand key trends. Now, the second is data reporting. Users can create visual summaries and reports in the matter of minutes, perfect for presentations or sharing with stakeholders. And the third is market research. Excel Insight can be used to analyze market data, generating trends and forecast for better business planning. So these are the detailed look for the features, input, outputs, and technology stack behind the Excel Insight. This project harnesses the power of modern web technology tools like React.js, D3.js, and other technologies to provide users with an easy-to-use platform for analyzing and visualizing data. Now let's a quick look towards the code of the project. Now this is the structure of the project. Like first we have in the folder all those packages like index.html, package.json and all those things. Then in the src folder we have assets folder and components folder. Now in the components folder we have um, many JSX files like navbar.jsx, reusable charts. And this reusable chart we use d3.js. You can see in the code we imported d3 and then like we have upload types, upload as Excel, upload as image type things. Now let's run this code. Now to run the code, we will write npm run dev. Now we can just go to website and then and this is the home page. Now when we will click on upload, it will give us two options like upload as Excel or PDF or image. We will first choose upload as Excel. So this after clicking on this we have got an option of drop down box or we can choose a file to upload. Now when we will choose the file, like I have one file for testing it. So when I will upload it, it will give me two options like you have to visualize according to a single column or multiple columns. So first I'm using single column. Now in this, the all the columns that were in this file are in this list. So let me choose MST1. So when I will click on this and then I will generate charts. After that, you can see that the chart is generated according to this. Like this is the like a frequency graph, like between 0 to 6, there are two people. Between 6 to 12 marks, there are two people. Between 12 to 8 marks, there are 14 people, and like many more. Now this is a quick brief of that SQL file. Uh, sorry, that Excel file. Like this is the highest marks, which is scored by this enrollment number. Then this is the lowest marks. Then there are total 112 people. The mean is this, and the median is this. Now total marks is 2404, like the addition of all the marks. Maximum marks is minimum marks is 0 and maximum marks is 27. So this is for single column, like, and if we want to like visualize according to multiple columns, then we can select another column, like let me choose MST2. Now after that we can see that these are the side by side comparisons for MST1 and MST2. By the way, we can like generate like compare thrice at a time, like let me choose MST3 marks. Now you can see that we have got a comparison between three columns. Okay, and we got the information of all three columns. Now, like this is it for that project. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.